Livegood review. Livegood bonuses. In this video, I'll be sharing with you my Livegood bonuses and a little bit of the walkthrough of the main dashboard of Livegood. By the way, you'll find my landing page for my bonuses through the link via the description box below. So it'll actually redirect you once you hit one of the green buttons to the Livegood tour page, which will have the 5-minute video and to fill out your information. And by the way, to receive my bonuses, you'll have to become a paid $40 affiliate at least to get the bonuses, so I can email you them. I prefer the email, not phone or text, because I don't like to call random people I don't know, so I prefer just email. And so here is my Livegood bonus page, which is linked in the description box below, which will have similar elements of the Livegood landing page. And then please note, you have to be under me in Livegood to receive the bonuses. I prefer to use email, so when you fill out the Livegood form, make sure to at least get the $40 affiliate fee in order to get them, and add your exact email so I can contact you. That's how you'll be able to receive the bonuses, and if I'll look under my matrix, I'll contact you there. And then you can watch the 5-minute Powerline video from Livegood, and the other 5-minute video I personally created, unboxed and tested Livegood, because I thought they were actually pretty good. I've gotten the essential aminos, the Livegood multi-active bio vitamins, and then the protein shake. Now, I only recommend these if you are into getting healthy. You know, I personally want to get healthy, trying to get off soda, and that's why I'm going to prefer getting the aminos a lot. And the multi-active bio vitamins, so you can watch that little 5-minute video I created on my other channel. But stay on this page when you watch it though, just so you can click on the links. So this link will actually redirect you to my Livegood tour page. So again, just because you become a pre-enrollee, you will not get the bonuses unless you become a paid affiliate, which is the $40 affiliate fee, which I recommend doing because it's cheaper and it's what I'm paying for and it's awesome. And I put down all of the information that were on the pay plan that talks about the pay plan in depth. So you can scroll on that on your own time. Again, the link to this bonus page will be in the description box below. And I will email you once you become a paid member through me. Okay, so the first bonus, you get Video Marketing Uncovered, which is 10 detailed comprehensive over-the-shoulder training video tutorials. You get your Content Marketing Guide, which is make more money with less effort using these killer content marketing tips. And in this bonus, you'll get effective content marketing. And then you'll get email domination, which is an in-depth tutorial on how to do email marketing with email domination. This bonus you get to learn how to do affiliate marketing step by step, which is the simple way. Then you get 6 done for you Livegood lead capture pages and extra training for these leads. Then you get the follow-up emails for the Livegood landing pages. You'll get traffic code, learn how to drive extra traffic with traffic code. Then in this exclusive awesome bonus that you can only get through me, no other affiliate from Livegood will provide this bonus. You'll get step-by-step affiliate marketing training on how to use the bonuses and the commission grow. but it's also step-by-step training on affiliate marketing also. Again, the same reminder from up top, which is down here, and you'll just click on the green buttons. That's all. This is my Livegood bonus page for Livegood, and here is the main dashboard. Here is where you can find the homepage, where we are on. The genealogy button, which you can find your matrix right here. Here's where you can find your website, so you get the main tour page, the products, and the retail. Here's where you can find your information, where you can shop for the products. By the way, the Livegood actually uses the Costco model, so you get a little bit of a discount. I actually saved $148, so $37 off of my membership fee to get those 5 products, and I spent $91 actually. So that was a good deal. Here's where you can find your order history, your team. This is where you'll find me, or no, in my enroller. Sorry about that. And then here's where you can find your referrals. So the people who you refer will be right here. Here's where you can find the team. And of course the leaderboard. FAQs, if you got any extra questions, I did a video on that on my channel. And here's where you can find your earnings. And my recommendation is I recommend you learn as you go through the bonuses, because bonuses will help you get a leg up ahead of the other affiliates or members that haven't gotten the same training like you will. Here's where you contact Livegood. And more, which is pretty cool in my opinion. The site is fairly simple to navigate. You could also use your phone if you wanted to. I've seen people do that, and yeah, pretty good stuff. Products were actually pretty good, and I recommend it. Yeah, link will be down below. Subscribe and like the video. Again, this page will be linked in the description. I will see you all in the next one.